You can do that today just by calling out on Yeshua. So our prayer team available for that. And of course, Sisterhood Luncheon upstairs, in the office area to start out. And so all women, if you haven't been there before, ladies, please attend. It's a great group, and I know you'll really enjoy it. They'd be blessed to have you attending. So that's pretty much immediately after service here. And our offering boxes are in the back. We don't pass a plate on Shabbos, but it is our blessing, again, our stewardship for our tithes and offerings. And the boxes are in the back. God bless you as you give, not only to support this temple, but to just say, thank you, Father, for watching over me. Good Shabbos, everyone. Bim, bam, bim, 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 bam. Bim, 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 bam. Bim, bam, bim, 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 bam. Bim, 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 bam. Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom, Shabbat, 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 Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom, Shabbat, 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 Shabbat shalom, Shabbat, 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 Shabbat shalom, Shabbat, 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 Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom, Shabbat, 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 Shabbat shalom. Amen. Peaceful Sabbath to everyone. Good Shabbos, and we'll see you again, the social hall for a bagel nosh. You want to hang out for a while, and women upstairs. Good Shabbos.